there, Geanie Beans. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, share. Only subscribe if you with me. If you don't me, don't subscribe. It's as simple as that. But if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you're updated with all the trash I'm gonna be uploading. It's not really gonna be trash though. I'm working my way up. I'm getting better. Today, guys, we are going to be talking about skin, face masks, routines, $5, affordable, what to do. Oh my God. And it's really funny because I was scheduling myself to do this video and it just so happens that my face is shit right now. So it's going to work for this. I tend to break out really bad during my cycle. Thank you, Heavenly Father. I have to deal with, you know, that when it comes around. And for some reason, this one was really bad. I don't know if I had a bad reaction, but I've never seen it like this before. Like, it almost looks like my face is burnt, bitch. Like, I don't know what's going on. Now, of course, this is not going to disappear by the end of the video, but I'm about to go all the way in. First, I'm going to talk about $5 face masks, or the $5 face mask that I'm using right now. I'm a true believer of going to an esthetician, getting facials, but sometimes, like, we don't got that. Like, I know I don't got that right now. Like, I wish I had that. I like to experiment with different face masks, and sometimes I don't want to spend a lot of money, so I get what I can here and there and try it out. So I'm going to show you the 5 that I'm currently using now real quick before I go into my routine. So the first mask I'm going to talk about was about $2.50 at Walmart. A lot of my products, of course, are from Walmart because duh. And it is the Freeman French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask. This is a pore cleansing mask. And this little packet has 3 to 4 uses. It smooths skin for glowing complexion. So this is actually something that I will be using today. And I'm gonna actually start off with this just because that's just how I'm feeling. This mask actually smells really good. It's definitely scented. It has some type of scent in there. So if you're sensitive to fragrances, there's definitely a fragrance in here. I don't know what fragrance it is, girl, but there's definitely something in here. I'm usually not good with peel-offs. If you haven't seen my previous video from like last year of this peel-off mask that I tried, girl, I was struggling. I will leave the link down below of how bad I was struggling. It was really hilarious. Like, it took me forever to get that mask off. This one is not that bad. I actually can peel this off a lot easier than that video. Next peel-off mask, and you would think I'm a fan of peel-off masks, but I'm not. I just like to do them first if I feel like it's really clogged, and I like to try out different things. But I saw this and it has that $5 on there. And you can guess where I got this. You guessed it, Five Below, girl. So this is the 21 karat gold glitter peel off mask, and it's supposed to brighten and firm. This one, I do not like how it smells at all. It smells like the mask that I was struggling with in my other video that I just told you about. Really like plasticky. Like, I don't really think it's really like 24 karat gold. I think it's some type of, and they just put fucking gold glitter in it. Like, I don't know. Does it say 24 karat gold? I can't even read this shit. But yeah, not too much of a fan of this one, but I bought it. So if you want something to give you that gold or brighten and firm, you can get this. But for me, it's like, not too crazy about it, but it is something that I recently bought for $5. So, you know, gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know? Okay, so the next mask that I'm also going to be using today, I love this stuff, is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Mask with tamarind, extract and tea tree oil, and it's for blemish prone skin. And right now you can see I'm having problems in that area. So this particular jar that you're seeing is not $5. The one for $5 looks like it comes in something like this, like it's in an actual packet, and I think it's actually around $5.66. So it's a little bit over $5, but I really like this one because it has the African black soap in it, and that's African black soap is like, oh, I really have some in the bathroom. That's what I wash my hands with to keep them soft, and it's like, yes. Yes, girl. Shea Moisture has really been winning for me lately as far as like affordable skincare that I like for my skin. So definitely African Black Soap Clarifying Mask, and we're using this today as well. I'm going in. So the next face mask from the same company, yes, girl, Shea Moisture, they're killing it, is right here. You could see that. What, girl? When I say this is my favorite mask, like out of all of them, obviously you can see like there's nothing here, girl. Like what? I should be using this one today, but I'm not gonna use it. I usually use this at night, but girl, what? This is the Shea Moisture Matcha Green Tea and Probiotics Transforming Clay to Cream Cleanser with Milk Thistle, bitch. For it to have such a long title, you know it's the real stuff. It smells like an oatmeal type of vibes with the green tea. You can definitely smell like the matcha. Oh my gosh, the consistency. There's no more left. But it's definitely like clay vibes. I'm not even gonna waste any more drops. Can't waste no drops on you. I love this stuff. I got this at Target under the travel section, actually, like the little like travel and go section where they have like sample stuff, and I just picked it up. And this was about like $2.99, like $3. It really wasn't that much. So that was really good too. And I fell in love with it. And this is actually in my What's in a Beauty Box video, I believe. I will leave that link down below. That's how long ago I bought this, and that's how long it has lasted me. I did that video like 5 or 6 months ago, and it's just getting thin right now. The problem is I haven't seen it again. Like when I go to Target, I can't find it. So if anybody can help me out. I don't know if it's at Walmart at all. I haven't seen it, but yeah, I need more of this stuff. So my absolute favorite, Shea Moisture. You're winning, Shea Moisture, girl. You're winning. My final mask is a sheet mask. Now you can really get any kind of sheet mask. I'm using the By Nature sheet mask from New Zealand, and they're really, oh my gosh, wait till you see when I take this off of my face. It just feels so good. And this is also from Walmart for about $2.50. So this is $5 right here for 2. So like I'm happy with that. And today I'm actually going to be using this one. So when it comes to sheet masks, I really wasn't a person that was, I knew about sheet masks, but I really didn't. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't really into it. A friend of mine at the time had really introduced me to sheet masks from Korea because she had been there for a whole year. And she was like, bitch, you need to try this Korean sheet mask. And I was like, what? And I've been hooked to sheet masks ever since. Specifically Korean sheet masks. There's nothing, I don't know what they put in that shit. They are really into their skincare, girl, okay? Fuck with them if you want to. Ever since then, I've just been into sheet masks. Sheet masks is usually like the last, sort of the last step that I do before, you know, my whole closing shebang. This one is the Hydrating Face Mask. It's enriched with skin brightening, vitamin C, antioxidants, and plumping collagen to leave skin replenished and radiant. And then this one is the Hydro Firm Lace Collagen Shot Face Mask with hyaluronic acid, coenzyme Q10, and vitamin E. This, I think, is what I need with the vitamin C. Leave a comment down below. What kind of face mask are you using? Kind of like everyday affordable face mask. This is not what I use all the time. Girl, that is changing. But right now, this is where I'm at. Now I'm going to get into the second part of the video, which is me actually doing my routine for you guys because I need it. Yeah. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so the first thing to clear skin, of course, is drinking water. I've been doing so much better with this. You could ask my coworker. She drank water so much. Her skin is as clear as a baby's behind, and she be getting on me, but she even said herself, like, girl, you're doing so much better. So I drink my water, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my Neutrogena wipes and just wipe off my face. This is the first thing I do, if I have makeup on or not, just to get all the dirt and debris off. Ew, look at this. You is nasty, girl. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my peel mask on, my little thingy. What do you call these things? Like little face mask wands? I don't know. Putting it all over my face, and then I'm going to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry. And now I'm going to peel it off. This is so much easier to peel off. I'm telling you, I love the way that it peels off. It's great. After I did all of that, I'm going to go ahead and use my facial cleanser. I got this from the dollar store, and the top don't work. So listen, don't be getting on me. I know this is some hood shit right here, but hey, you know what I'm saying? You got to do what you got to do. And I'm going to buff that into my face with my little wand brush thing. I got this from Dollar Tree and I love it so much. I've been using it for forever. Now I'm using some paper towel to just like pat dry. I don't wipe, I just pat because I don't want to be pulling my skin. And I'm drinking my water still. And now I'm going to be using the Dove exfoliant. Now this is actually for your body. Don't do what I does. This is for your body, it's not for your face, but I just love the little micro beads that are in there, and it just makes me feel like I'm really exfoliating. You have to be careful because it can't get in your eye, and then you see my dumb ass putting it close to my eyes. And then I take a brush with a soft bristle that I stole from my mom, and I just buff that shit in. But yeah, guys, definitely use like an exfoliant that's for the face. I just do this because, you know, I'm just stubborn like that. I do what I want. Now I'm just massaging it in because I love the way that it feels, and then I'm going to rinse it off. Already looking better, girl. Now I made this a natural rose petal homemade rose water that I'm spraying on my face, and I let it kind of dry, wipe it off my eye, and then I'm going to get a bowl of some water because, girl, I don't have a steamer, and I'm going to steam my face. We going to get there, though. Eventually, I'm going to get one of those steamers, and you're going to be like, ooh, girl. So after that, I'm going to put the clarifying mask from Shea Moisture with the African soap in it. I really like this mask. It feels almost like a lotion. It's a really smooth, whippy kind of consistency, and it just glides on really nicely. I don't let it dry too much. I only leave it on for like 5 minutes, and then I rinse it off, and I'm going to use this witch hazel that I got from Walmart for like $9. Put it on a little cotton swab, and this is just to tone and really help with my breakouts that I'm having, because this is just, I just don't understand that. Look, there was still dirt on my face. Drinking water again. All right, so now I'm going to go in with that collagen mask. Oh, it smells so good, girl. Oh, so citrusy. And I'm going to align it to my face. I don't know who cuts these holes out because it never fits my eyes, my nose, or my lips. Like, what the hell kind of shit is that? But whatever, peel it off, and I'm gonna try my best to get it shaped to my face, you know what I'm saying, like, and just massage it in. Like, this is my favorite part. It's so soothing. I be feeling like a Jabberwocky when I have this on. And then I'm just beating it into my face, girl. Just like, you can use a roller for this part too. Now I'm just peeling it off. Oh my God, that feels so good. And I take the rest of it on the side that was on my face and I just rub it in. Now it says to rinse it off, but I don't rinse it off. I just leave it on there. Then I'm going to use this rose oil that I got from Five Below. It's really good. I love it. And I just drip it all over my face. Like I really OD with this stuff. And then I rub it in really well, and then I'm going to use my rose quartz roller from Sephora collection, and I got this straight out of the freezer, so it's like freezing ice cold, and it felt so good rolling it over you know, my breakout area, because it really was like inflamed and it hurt. So this really helps for the lymphatic system, as you all know, and I really have been doing this a lot. You see I'm getting under the eyes and lifting my eyebrows naturally, girl. Now I'm going to use my Eco Lips lip scrub in Vanilla Bean. I got this from Walmart for like $2. And I'm going to put it all over my lips and just like exfoliate my lips and rub it in. This stuff is so good. It tastes so good. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. I love it. And then I wipe the excess off. It really is like just like sugar. Honestly, it tastes like sugar. Okay, guys, that is it. That is the end of my face mask routine. I feel so much better. My face is glowing, even though I have those problem areas, but you know, that's going to take some time, but I'm happy. I feel so much relaxed. I feel good. I feel great. Usually wouldn't do the exfoliation part, but girl, you can see I'm going through some things, so I just did everything, girl. I just did everything. Every video is after this video, so whether I'm doing backflips in my apartment or I don't know, making a cuisine, it doesn't matter what subject the video is about, pay attention to my face, because that is going to be exactly a week after this video, and you'll be able to see and tell how this shit healed up, okay? And keep on, you know, treating it and whatnot, but yeah, guys, it gets really bad. Like, I don't know, like, this is the worst I've seen it, but I feel so much better. It doesn't hurt as much. I'm not gonna touch it because it's still, the oils are still setting in. I know I probably like, why would you put oil and like clog it up? But you know, I still wanted to, that's what I use to moisturize, and I've been loving it. And make sure you leave a comment down below the products you use, your routine, what orders do you go in, do you use any of the same ingredients? You know, a lot of my ingredients, a lot of my products are like affordable products. I don't have the high-end stuff yet. Someday we'll get there, but for now I just use like everyday products, and I try to make it work, you know, with what I have. That's all you can do. Make it work with what you have, girl. You don't need a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. You ain't got the answers. You ain't got the answers, Sway. I've been doing this more than you. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay. Go fuck what you say. I'm about to go yay, I'm about to go yay.